Hey everyone, and welcome back to day 13 of 100-day code of the programming zone. Today, we're diving deeper into the realm of control flow with the mighty while loop function in Python. Imagine your code as a smart robot. It needs to react to different situations, just like you do. And that's where the while loop comes in, your code's superpower to keep repeating actions until a condition is no longer met. What is the while loop function? Think of it like a persistent friend who never gives up. The while loop keeps executing a block of code as long as a specific condition remains true. It's like saying, keep doing this as long as this is true. Why is the while loop important? The while loop is your code's decision-making tool. It allows you to automate repetitive tasks based on conditions. Imagine you want to print numbers until the user enters 0. Without the while loop, you'd have to write separate code for each number. The while loop is your secret weapon for writing efficient, dynamic, and responsive code. Let's see it in action. Example 1, Guessing game with while loop. Create a guessing game where the user has to guess a secret number. Use the while loop to keep asking for guesses until they get it right. Secret number equals 42. Guess equals integer input guess the secret number. While guess equals secret number. Print wrong guess. Try again. Guess equals integer input guess again. Print congratulations. You guessed the secret number. In this code, the while loop keeps asking for guesses until the input matches the secret number. Bonus tip: use the break statement to exit the loop early if certain conditions are met. Example 2, Counting even numbers. Print a list of even numbers from 1 to 100, but stop once you reach 50. The while loop is your perfect tool for this task. Number equals 1. While number. If number %2 equals 0. Print number. If number equals 50. Break. Number plus equals 1. In this code, the while loop checks each number from 1 to 100. If it's even, it prints it. The break statement exits the loop when number reaches 50. By now, you should have mastered the while loop function in Python. It's your tool for handling conditional repetition, automating tasks until a specific condition is met. Remember, the while loop is the key to writing dynamic and responsive code that can adapt to different situations. So, go forth and conquer the world of conditional repetition, one iteration at a time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding fun. So we will see you in next video where we will be learning how to define the own function in Python, so stay tuned and see you tomorrow.